All right, I'm going to make a Google Drive portfolio for uploading my images into. So I'm on my daughter's iPad here. I'm going to click on Drive. You can do this in your on your phone as well. You can do this on the computer. I'm just showing you how to do it on the phone/iPad because it's portable. So I'm going to, you can see I've already made one for my other class, Dorn R101 Portfolio F20, and I've already shared that with, well, myself. So that's for my other class, though. You all are in 202. So I'm going to open up, I'm in the Drive. I'm going to click the little plus there, and now I'm going to create a folder. Click on the folder. Now, I want to title my folder for this class. So I am Dorn.R. That's me, Dorn Rachel, and then I'm going to call this my class number. So my class number is 202 if I'm in the pottery class. It's 101 if I'm in the design class. And then I want to do portfolio. And then I'm going to put another dot, and I'm going to put the quarter. Now, please don't put please don't just write art class, because I already have, 110 of these or so, and I'm going to get another 30 or 40 from your quarter. So this is how I keep track of them. I'm going to put fall of 2020. F20 is fine. Now I'm going to hit create, and I've created a folder. Now you can see that my daughter in her Google Drive has a set of stuff for her, and then she has 2 of these folders for me. You can tell which one's for which class because of the 202. And then I'm going to share this one. So I'm going to click on the little dots. Up at the top is a share button. And who am I sharing this with? I'm going to share this with R. Dorn at yvcc.edu. That's me. So I'm going to share that, and then I can make that bottom, the keyboard go away. I'm going to share that. I don't need to put a message in, and I'm just going to click the share button. Now this folder has been shared with me, or it's on its way to being shared with me. If I want to use this, I can open it up and I can add stuff. And this is pretty easy, which is why we're doing it this way. So if I click that plus, I can add from the calendar. I can add from the camera, use my camera to take pictures of my stuff. I can use the upload to add pictures I've already taken, or I can create a folder and say this is for project 1 or project 2 or extra stuff. That is, the easiness of that is why we're doing it this way. Please let me know if you have any trouble.